we have a woman interview tonight, and she said she's 18. That's what she said. We're gonna find out what she doing here. I mean, in Walking Street. How's her life there? Hello, B. Good evening. How are you?
I'm okay po.
You're okay. That's good that you are okay. Can you please introduce yourself? Pakilala ka, B.
I'm Lyra T. Alarcon po,
And you are? How old are you?
18 years old po.
18. You sure you're 18, di ba?
Yeah,
Okay. You're working in Walking Street, right?
right.
18. How old are you when you start working there?
Um, Start po,
Yung nag-start ka dun sa pag pag naghahanap ng guest. Ilang taon ka?
17 years old po. Noon.
At age of 17-year-old?
Apo, noon.
Your parents know about that?
Because ano po, hindi po alam ng mga parents ko, pero may anak po ako.
You have a child already? How old is your child? Ilang taon?
Me,
Yung anak mo?
ano po, 1 taon.
1 year old?
Apo,
So you get pregnant at age of 16?
apo.